Hello everyone. Today in our science class, we will start lesson 12, the solar system. Children, you may find a large number of stars in the night sky. When you look at the sky on a dark and cloudless night, you may also observe some star-like objects moving slowly among the stars. They do not twinkle like stars. They are called planets. Children, you all know that there are 8 planets in the solar system and each planet revolves around the sun in its own orbit. So, what is a planet? A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. Like stars, planets do not have light of their own. They shine when sunlight is reflected from them, and a planet is much smaller than a star. Below there is a short activity in which you have to match the given 3 columns. First one is sun and all planets revolve around it. Second is earth and yes, of course, we all live on it. And the third picture is telescope. It is an instrument used to see far off objects. Do this in your book itself. Children, we all know that the sun and the heavenly bodies which revolve around it form the solar system. So, the solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, their moons, and other heavenly bodies such as comets, asteroids, and satellites. So, we also know that the earth is a planet and it revolves around the sun. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the Sun. The 8 planets, in their order of increasing distance from the Sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was considered as the 9th planet of the solar system, but according to new definition adopted by the International Astronomical Union in 2006, the Pluto is no longer a planet of the solar system. It is now considered as a dwarf planet. The other dwarf planets are Ceres, Eris, etc. Dwarf planets also revolve around the sun in their fixed orbits. Now, let's study in detail about the sun and the 8 planets one by one. Children, we all know that sun is a hot ball of glowing gases which gives us heat as well as light. It is the center of our solar system and it is the star nearest to the earth. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and it is the planet closest to the sun. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is called as the morning star or evening star because it looks like a bright star in the early morning or evening. Earth is the only planet where life exists and where we all live. It is called the blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water. The next planet is Mars. It is called the red planet because of its reddish brown appearance due to red and rusty dust. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. It is 11 times as wide as the Earth. All the planets of the solar system would fit inside it. It takes 12 years to complete an orbit around the Sun. It has a large number of natural satellites. The next planet is Saturn. It is a unique planet in the solar system because of its beautiful rings. Its rings are made up of ice, rocks, and dust. It is the second largest planet of our solar system. Uranus is the third largest planet of our solar system. It is the first planet discovered by using a telescope. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It looks blue in color. Cold winds blow very fast on Neptune. Children, do you know that all the 8 planets of our solar system are grouped into the categories inner planets and outer planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are 4 inner planets and are made up of rocks. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are four outer planets and are made up of gases. All the four outer planets have rings. So, this is all about the Sun and the 8 planets. Please go through the dot portion and try to collect more interesting facts about them. Thank you.